Hello everyone, this is my first unboxing video, so I will be unboxing Google Nest Mini. Now as you can see on my left, there is another Google Assistant speaker. So what's this one? Have I already unboxed another one as well? No, this is actually Google Home Mini. That's the first generation, and this is Google Nest Mini, that's the second generation. So the major difference is not only the name, but it's also the processor enhancement. So it has fast processing, and also the base is stronger on this. So we will find out about this more in the next video. I'll give you a demo as well. So now let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, so let me grab my weapon, safety pin, and I might actually not even need a safety pin. There you go. Okay, so let's explore the box further. So it says Google Nest Mini, second generation. The color I've got is charcoal, and this gives you an overview over here. So what's included and what you can do, this in a snapshot. And over here it says what app this Google Mini speaker, Nest Mini speaker supports. So YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Calendar, Google Duo, and all these apps. So small and mighty, yes it is, and it just shows you, what you can do again. So now I'll be opening this for the first time. Let me just zoom in. The previous generation I got was in a square box, so this is in rectangle. Let's open this. Wow, that sound. Right. Wow, lovely color over here. Now let's remove the assistant first. Lovely design, fabric feels great. So I've used this one before. Can't wait to try the experience of this one now. And obviously that's why I bought a different color as well, because I wanted to see the different color, how it looks like in Google Nest Mini. So before we get into detail, I'm just going to put this aside and let's see what else it comes with. So we have a power lead over here. So somehow I managed to get the power lead, which was behind the manual. So there we go. Oh, the power lead is changed. The first generation had micro B, I believe, which was like this. That's like your Android charger. Now it's got more specific charger for it. Okay, so let's put this aside as well. Let's see what else it comes with. So you go, let's get started guide. Let's put that aside, and that's it. Put this aside now. Bring this in. I actually just wanted to see what's in here. Let's get started guide. Normally I always ignore this, but let's just have a look. Let's get started. Okay, so it's about how you can get started. So let's plug in, download the Google Home app. And it says, so just start with a word. So you can say play next song, hey Google, touch menu control, settings on mic switch, tap left, right, tap switch. That's changed as well. Wall mount has changed because they didn't have that option on the previous generation. And yeah, what's this one? So there's more information about the warranty as well. I didn't show you this before, but let's have a look again. So obviously the charger has changed. So previous version has micro B, and charger feels great as well, the material. So now this is the main thing over here, Google Nest Mini. Let's have a look around. Right, so you got microphone off and on button over there. So if you don't want your Google to listen to you all the time, especially if you put this aside a TV or a room where you will be using another assistant, for example. I have this actually around a TV, the first generation, and every time there's a Google advert on the TV, this will just activate. So just turn this off, microphone off, and it won't do that. That's where the charger goes. And there you go, you have a wall mount as well on this one, so you can just easily clip it on your wall like this. That's really handy. But yeah, so on the next video I will show you how this sounds like, and I'll give you a demo. So this versus this, we're gonna find out how strong the bass is it faster, and what are the major difference